I'm not going to struggle as much. So do the corner, then go to the other corner. Remove excess of the paint, those V-shape now. So we've got the V-shape. And now start pushing our smile line. Okay, we've got the second one. And then paint the third one. And there's not going to be a struggle with this one as well on the camera. That's why I have actually done the pinky on my own, because guys, you wouldn't be able to see it anything because of the position of the hand. So again, V-shape. Like, make sure your corners are always at the same height. And now start pushing the smile line. When I push, like I do in and out, imagine almost painting like a gel polish and you don't want to touch the cuticle. This is what I'm doing. Nice and deep smile line. Remove bits and pieces. Clean from underneath if there is any product there. Like, check the smile line if there is any other places you want to touch up, and then they are ready to cook.